Krishna. I'd like to welcome the students of the Bhashan School, Hyderabad, to ISKCON Abbots. I'd also like to express my sincere appreciation to Shriman Bhashyam Ramakrishna and Jonnala, Chaitanya Reddy Garu, the CEO of the school. So, wishing you a very the blessings of Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohan. This is a very special year for ISKCON internationally because this is the 125th year of the birth anniversary of Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, the founder of ISKCON, the founder Acharya of ISKCON. This is being celebrated globally, all over the world, in different cities, different countries, different towns, villages. Srila Prabhupada was a cultural ambassador of India to the world. He taught millions of people in the world about India, about Vedic culture, about Sanatana Dharma, about Bhagavad Gita, about Bhagavatam, and about Bhakti, about Lord Chaitanya, about chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So today millions of people around the world are chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. They're reading Bhagavad Gita, they're becoming devotees, they're becoming vegetarians, and they're chanting Krishna's name, they worship Krishna, and they're being blessed. So the big question is why so many people are taken to bhakti is because life is incomplete without bhakti. We are all spirit souls, Atma. Atma never dies. Atma is eternal. Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. That is the meaning of Atma. Atma means that which does not die. So this is the science of Atma. Just as we have learned the science of engineering, science of civil engineering, electronics engineering, we have to learn the science of karma, we have to learn the science of Atma, we have to learn the science of self-realization, we have to learn the science of bhakti, we have to learn the science of God. Who is God? Why He created me? What are the powers of God? How can I connect myself with God? And we also have to learn the science of karma. Because Vedic scriptures say every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Who is there to teach us all these things? Only a great teacher like Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. He taught us these things by writing the books, translating from Vedic culture, from Vedic Sanatana Dharma, from Sanskrit to English. Today his books are translated into close to 100 languages of the world. More than 1,000 Radha Krishna temples have been established all over the world. Hyderabad is one of those very special temples which was established personally by Srila Prabhupada in the year 1976. I'm very happy that you have come here. We have daily programs, we have Kirtan, we have Aarti, we have lectures on Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam. We have festivals, like recently we celebrated the Sri Krishna Janmashtami festival, Prabhupada Appearance Day, we do Govardhan Puja, we do Dasara, we do Diwali, we do Narsimha Jayanti, we do Gaur Purnima, like that. Right through the year we have festivals. Great place for children. So there's Kirtan, there's nice stories, nice Aarti, nice decoration, and big feast. ISKCON is world famous for Kirtan, Puja, Kirtan, and feast. So I welcome you all to come to this temple. I also welcome you all to chant Hare Krishna. I also invite you all to become devotees, read the Bhagavad Gita, enrich your life. Also learn about karma philosophy. Without karma philosophy, maybe you will continue to do the wrong things and you will suffer. When you are suffering, you will feel like asking, why is this happening to me? Why is some bad things happening? But if you know the karma philosophy, then you will be careful. Like if you wear a mask, if you take hand sanitization, etc., maintain some distance, you won't get COVID. In the same way, if you follow Krishna's instructions, then you won't get bad karma. You will be protected. Like the Pandavas were protected, Dhruva Maharaj was blessed. So many devotees in the history, Gajendra was protected. So you will understand what is the protection of Krishna. Now this yuga is very different because this is a yuga in which Krishna appeared as Lord Chaitanya. Appeared as Lord Chaitanya. So you see Lord Chaitanya Nityananda. Lord Chaitanya instructed that Yuga Dharma is chanting Krishna's name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So Lord Chaitanya is none other than Krishna. To our right is Lord Chaitanya, left is Nityananda. Krishna, Lord Chaitanya, Nityananda are the same as Krishna Balaram. So they came in this yuga, they gave this simple teaching, chant Hare Krishna, read Bhagavad Gita, worship Krishna. And so I encourage all of you to do. I feel that all the devotees of of Hyderabad should be blessed. I will pray for you. May Krishna bless you. Now I'll also give you. We have been worshipped in Puri Jagannath. Many festivals are organized right to the year. The biggest is, of course, Jagannath Rath Yatra. Even in Hyderabad, we do the Jagannath Rath Yatra. There are so many opportunities for children to grow spiritually. I wish you all come here. I wish we can have regular programs with you. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Now we are having darshan of the old race, AC Bhakti Vedanta. Prabhupada was a great philosopher, great devotee, great yogi, great acharya, great guru, great scholar, great author. His books have changed the course of the world. His books have touched the lives of millions of devotees all over the world. Prabhupada came here, he sat on this very same asana and gave lectures. You are very fortunate, blessed to have his darshan. But you will become more fortunate if you read his books and follow his instructions.
This is the entrance of ISKCON. Leaving the footwear, the devotees enter the temple. This is the place where devotional prayers of Lord Krishna and felicitation for the members of ISKCON take place. Here the devotees soothe themselves These are the sculptures we can see once we enter the temple. A vegetarian restaurant is available for the devotees. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, the Indian religious leader, is the founder of ISKCON on 13th July 1966 in New York, United States. Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda suggested the mantra of Hare Krishna, Hare Rama to chant for the blessings of Lord Sri Krishna. This is the sanctum, the sacred place where Lord Krishna and Radha, the main deities, are worshipped. They strongly believe in the rules: no intoxication, no meat eating, no gambling, and etc. This form of Krishna is called Jagannath. So, Lord Krishna is called Lord Puri Jagannath when Krishna manifests highest form of transcendental emotions. The faithful believe that God is at the center of our existence. So, when we do pradakshina or circumambulation, we accept that our actions and thoughts are always centered on God. Devotees in the temple chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare mantra 108 times using Japamala. In the top view, these beautiful pictures really attract the visitors who come for the first time.
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
How I can stop envying non-devotees, or how to stop having hatred for non-devotees? By compassionately doing something for them. Give them some prasad, give them Prabhupada's books, invite them to temple, speak something about Krishna consciousness. That way we can give up envy for them. Otherwise, from a distance we will always feel envy and hatred, because we ourselves are suffering from these conditionings.